Okay, ang sakit din ng pagkatalo na 'to. There are positive, there are negatives, pero umasa ako guys, akala ko mananalo ang Gilas Pilipinas. Ito yung mga bagay na sa tingin kong dahilan kung bakit sana panalo na sana tayo, pero dahil dito ay nasilat pa tayo ng New Zealand. Ako po si Pau Salud ng Pauka Sports. Pawang katotohanan lamang 'to, walang intro-intro. And let's look at the stats, and this is my immediate reaction. I'm here actually, nandito ako sa Kuala Lumpur ngayon, wala ako sa Pilipinas. That's why iba yung setup ko. Brought my laptop because I know may laro ang Gilas Pilipinas, but it was such a great game. But kala ko ang mangyayari parang celebration, pero it turned out to be a heartache because of these things. Hindi ko pa tinitingnan yung stats, pero I know that the free throw is a problem, the turnover was a problem, and may kumulang ba kay Justin Brownlee? Parang may kumulang yata kay Justin Brownlee. I don't know what the heck Justin Brownlee. Sobrang ganda naman ng depensa. Denying defense, no? It's not even like bad ang shooting ni Justin, eh. It was just the attempt of Justin Brownlee wasn't there. And I do not know why. There are a few things that happened. Pero bago yan, pakita ko muna sa inyo itong mabilis na ito, ha? 106, 102, two overtimes po, no? Two overtimes, a lot of heroics from both side kay KQ, kay Juan Gomez de Liano. These are the bright side. And this statement oftenly it doesn't match na yung Justin Brownlee hindi maganda ang performance pero tumatabla tayo. 'Di ba? At lumalamang pa tayo. So, here's the stats, guys. Field goal percentage 43 and 48 lamang pa mga Angilas Pilipinas dito, no? But the key thing here, ito po, no? Steal, 12 steals para po sa New Zealand, including ang turnover natin, 20 turnovers. 20 turnovers po ng and these are the crucial turnovers. And one thing na nagpatalo sa atin is this 63.64 free throw percentage. If I am to say one thing about this, yuck! Shit! Like, alam mo yung, although sila rin yung nagpapanalo, dahil sila rin yung nakaka-shoot, yung Edu, naka-miss free throw, yung Kevin Kiambao, naka-miss free throw, kinakabahan pa rin ba? So I'm gonna show you first the score of the New Zealand. Ang gumawa po dito ay si Tirangi, 22 points, Webster 12 points, Saminega 13 points, si Shelley 21, Wardenberg 16 points, everyone contributing. Sa Pilipinas naman, Juan Gomez de Leano. Isa-isahin ko kada player. Juan Gomez, ang galing. Heroics from the outside, 3-point shooting, ang galing. Ang galing. Ang tataka lang ako bakit nilalabas mo pa, coach. But again, that's coach's decision. Chris Newsome, pinasok. Weird. I don't know kung bakit biglang pinasok si Chris Newsome late in the game. So, coach's decision. RJ Barrientos, 2 out of 10. I mean, yes, he has 10 assists. 2 out of 10. I don't know in the last game. But shooter shoots, ganyan naman talaga. Then parang yung performance ni RJ sa Hinebra, parang gano'n na rin yata sa Gilas eh. Basta maganda ang laro ni RJ, mananalo Gilas eh. Hindi maganda ang laro in terms of shooting, 20%, that's so bad. Junmar Fajardo only played 8 minutes. Troy Rosario, 6 minutes lang. Justin Baldassar, hindi nga naglaro. Mike Phillips, ang ganda rin ng pinakita ni Mike Phillips. Nag-inject siya ng some energy, but kinulang eh. Kinulang din yung 10 minutes lang kasi siya pinalaro eh. Dwight Ramos, 18 points, 6 out of 17. Also, the shooting is not good, but ganun talaga, no? KQ ang maganda ang shooting, 9 out of 16. But this free throw, yan po yung yung pagsisisihan natin, free throw percentage. No, we had a chance to win this, pero ito ang pinaka nakakataka sa lahat. Di ba kayo nagtataka? Tanong ko nga nakulang ba si Justin Brownlee? Justin Brownlee 5 points, sa bandang huli pa yan. No? Isang 3 points, isang 2 points, 0 points yan. Sa overtime pa niya yan nakuha. Grabe, Carl Tamayo to. 17. I have no complaints about Carl Tamayo. AJ Edu, 6 points. He's played his heart out sa defense. Ang pinaka-question mark sa akin dito, Justin Brownlee. What the heck is happening to Justin Brownlee? The good side about that is that that means kaya natin without Justin Brownlee. Nakakasabay tayo. Pero medyo nagko-collapse kasi tayo eh. Medyo may mga issue talaga regarding kumbaga sa crucial moment. Ang daming sayang. Yung akala ko bibigyan na sa atin yung panalo, eh, hindi pa eh. So what does this mean? So natalo tayo ng New Zealand. They're a great team. Pilipinas has what it takes. Nagkulang na yung wala naman ako sinisiste. Because I think the reason nakaka-score din yung iba is because of Justin Brownlee. Because si Justin Brownlee, nabibigyan niya ng open yung ibang players kasi siya yung binabantayan. Siya yung, kumbaga, minamarkahan. But kulang, ano talaga. I don't know, masakit yung ano ko eh. Masakit eh. Celebration na sana eh. Anyway, abangan natin next game natin sa Australia. Doon pa ba tayo aasa sa Australia? Sa tingin nyo, sa Australia kaya? New Zealand, sa tingin nyo kaya eh. Australia, sayang. But it is what it is. What do you guys think? Anong masasabi nyo sa pagkatalo natin? Mas masakit ba na matalo tayo na dapat panalo or pwedeng manalo o yung tambak tayo? Ano yung mas masakit? Let me know sa comment section, guys.